final two parts of the session are the integration phase and ground. The integration phase is music that starts to bring you down and allow you to gently and peacefully unwind. It is ambient music that is designed to let you integrate and consolidate what you have experienced, to let it sink in. You've probably gained new resources and insights. You may also want to do some cathartic breathing at this point. This allows you to squeeze as much emotion from your session as possible. If you have ever seen a small child who is angry or upset, how they breathe is in a seething manner, like this. It is a forced, measured exhale through the nose. I contract my abdomen on the exhale and deflate my chest. Again, squeeze all the raw emotion and energy out. You may want to try that. Overall, use your intuition. I have developed most of these breathing techniques through my own practice. You may come up with a variation or something completely different that works better for you. Another note is that many people go out of body straight away and never hear anything until they get back with the final song. That is the ground phase, and it's a song with lyrics that brings you back and closes out your experience. Some people will be done by then. Many people find the grounding song to be impactful and emotional as well. It is usually relevant, heartfelt lyrics that get you to reflect and think. For thinking, judging types like myself, this feels like home and is the way I connect best. So if the rest of the session was an exercise, for me the ground gives me a sense of relief. Just relax and stay in the present moment. After everyone comes back, there will be a short 5-minute break for you to go to the restroom. Continue to hold the energy of the space by not talking. After the session, you may feel a bit ungrounded or hypersensitive. This is not unusual. Be nice to yourself. You have likely done some significant soul work or self-work. One person says that after a session, he feels like he just had a massage. Everyone will return to the circle and have a chance to process and share their experience if they like. The facilitator may offer feedback or insights based on their experience and knowledge of spiritual development and personal growth, and may point you to resources that you can follow up with. You don't have to share, but this is another way to connect, and most people find it helpful. You may also want to journal or draw about what you have experienced. Unless we are doing a conference or retreat, this is not generally something we offer given our usual logistical considerations. However, many people find art or writing to be a way to deepen and consolidate their experience. We also offer 1-hour integration sessions, usually over the phone or using video conferencing, but sometimes in person. These can be extremely useful to unpack and explore your experience further. We offer these integration sessions to participants for half the price of our normal spiritual emergence support sessions. You get individual attention, focused on your specific experience with a certified spiritual emergence coach and Access Breathwork facilitator. That lets you glean the most from your experience at a great value. We also provide email support for simple questions that you may have after your session at no charge. We love doing this work and want to see you access your own life vision and follow your own life path or purpose. You have something to contribute to the world we live in. Everyone benefits when you work on yourself. It is the most unselfish thing you can do. Finally, here are the results from a study done on the breathwork in 11,000 cases in mental health settings in 482 consecutive patients, documenting psychiatric inpatients from a variety of psychiatric units dedicated to various diagnoses over a 12-year period at a community hospital. The main outcome was a transpersonal or mythopoetic experience, which was reported by 82% of participants. The procedure was well received. There were no complaints of adverse reactions recorded during the sessions nor afterwards on the clinical units. The conclusion was that breathwork offers a non-drug alternative for the induction of psychedelic therapeutic experiences. Thank you for taking the time to view the orientation and instructions. You can download a PDF of the basic technique on the site as well. If you still have questions, please feel free to shoot us an email. We look forward to seeing you at the next Access Breathwork session.